Hi, I'm Sean Cohen.
And I'm Stephen Cassateri, and today we'll be answering some questions about DoubleClick. So Sean, why choose DoubleClick over another platform? There are plenty of them.
Well, there's multiple reasons. So first, you can have multi-engine bidding and budgeting capabilities. You're able to manage across Google, Bing, Yahoo, several other engines. You're also able to bid multiple times a day with their bidding algorithm. It uses Google's machine learning, so you're then capable of doing things that other platforms can't do. They also use the DoubleClick stack, which has a wide range of capabilities. You're talking search, display, natural search, so your organic listings. They have new features constantly. And so the newest feature would be their bid and budget management, where DoubleClick can now adjust dynamically your bids and budgets to kind of suit your goals for that particular set of campaigns. And then you also have the capability of Google's machine learning system, which obviously spans a wide range that other platforms just don't have.
Great.
So now, question number 2 would be, what is the most underutilized feature in DoubleClick?
I don't know if this is the most underutilized feature, but certainly one that I've noticed is fairly underutilized, and that is the landing page testing tool. Our job at the search agency is to find the best and the most amount of good quality traffic we can find and send it to your website. But a lot of advertisers will forget that that's only half the process, that if you're getting conversions, it's happening on the website. You have to do a lot to optimize that experience as well. Something that DoubleClick allows you to do is test 2 different variations of a page and find out which one is working better for you. You get a 5% boost in conversion rate from some small tweaks on your website that can lead to a lot of good over the course of a year. And the DoubleClick landing page testing tool allows you to test 2 pages and get some statistical significance, let you know with certainty what's better and what's working for you.
Yeah, got it. That makes sense.
Great, let's go to the next question. How does DDA work in DoubleClick?
Data-driven attribution uses Google's machine learning to apply different segments, different weighting attributions based on your data. So the user basically defines certain segments of their campaigns or a total account, and then the machine learning system then kind of divvies up their lead attribution models across which segment had the most impact, and it uses both search and display, actually, as well as natural search. So you have a 3-pronged approach that a lot of algorithms and machine learning systems don't have on other platforms.
Awesome.
The next question is, in what areas is DoubleClick lacking?
Clearly we've been sort of talking about saying the praises of DoubleClick, for the last 3 questions, but it isn't the perfect system. There are a couple areas where I think DoubleClick could be doing more to make life a little bit easier on advertisers. The first is search query reports. Right now, you have to go into the engines themselves to get sort of accurate data on search query reports. We were talking about the custom conversions you can set up in DoubleClick, all the data-driven attribution. We'd like to be able to apply that down to the search query level. Unfortunately, that's not available right now. If you want to have a complete picture of what's going on, you'll have to use the AdWords conversions to sort of look at search queries, which isn't ideal, but you want to be aware of that. A second area is DoubleClick's ad testing tool. I'm a big fan of the landing page testing tool. I think the ad testing tool could be doing a little bit more to make things easier for you. Right now, you can only pick one ad group at a time, which makes it kind of hard to get statistical significance, which is the name of the game in marketing. I wish you could aggregate maybe 10, 20 different ad groups, get enough traffic to find out what is really the best ad. That's something I think they'll add down the line, but it's a little bit tricky now.
Yeah, it definitely takes a lot more of your time to set up correctly, but when it does, I think it works pretty well. And then going back, of course, to the SQR thing, I think it's just another reason to make sure that you have your engine level conversions set up correctly to make sure that you can kind of dive deeper into those SQRs.
Yeah, DoubleClick's a great tool, but it have to have visibility everywhere.
Yeah, true. Go ahead and leave us your comments down here in the section below. Take care.
Bye, everyone.